We had another action words packed week. Let's do a recap. Now, we learned how to say unutmaq, to forget to do, to omit, not on purpose. We also learned how to say Əldən düşmək, to be exhausted, to be worn out or run down. We also learned how to say Utanmaq, to be ashamed, to feel shy or embarrassed. We learned how to say Müqayisə etmək, to compare, contrast, and benchmark. We learned how to say yummaq, to turn a blind eye, to ignore, to overlook, this time on purpose, as opposed to Unutmaq. We learned how to say Düzəltmək, to fix, repair, and correct. And we learned how to say Başa, çatmaq, to be completed, to come to an end, and to expire. And I also gave you some fun uses to use these words in sentences that you would feel more comfortable. That is, as mostly English words, just these words. Let's see. I call them dad joke uses. I'll utanmaq later. Right now, I'm busy being confident. Turning it off and on counts as düzeltmek, right? My weekend tried to başa çatmaq, but emails had other plans. I only need 2 coffees to Müqayisə etmək productivity, before and after. If my brain had bookmarks, I wouldn't unutmaq where I left the remote. Now, quiz time. Which word also means to correct? Drop in the comments below. Don't worry about having the exact letters that we have in Azerbaijani. I know most keyboards don't have those, some specific letters like sh. So no worries about that. Just type in the closest one below. And don't forget to come back. We're going to continue learning new words every single day, every single week. Because once you come back every time, you're going to build a consistency. And consistency is what will bring you fluency. To help you with fluency and consistency, I also have built Master Azerbaijani app that is available in Google Store and App Store. I'm giving away Module 1 completely free. That's the foundational module that anyone would need if they decided to learn Azerbaijani language. And I am also giving away the whole vocabulary there that is available in all modules and all future modules. You will have them for free. I also have masterazerbaijani.com, where I am posting blogs every 10 days since 2025 November, where you can find even more grammar tips on to learn the language, alongside with historical and cultural context. So feel free to check those out. We'll continue learning action words journey next week, so make sure to come back and check on those words. I'll see you there. Cheers.